Today I'm taking a look at the JC-LGL construction string lights. So you can see this is the more rounded, almost bulbed version. They do make another version which is more flat. The flatter version is going to provide a larger diffuse surface pointing down. So if you need more light pointing directly down from this, then you're going to want to get that one. This one's going to provide more diffuse light pointing away from it. So if you need more light going off to the sides in all directions, this is going to be the one that you want. We can see on here there's 118 inches from bulb to bulb. So that's about 2 inches short of 10 feet. And then a little bit shorter than that from the first bulb to the plug. There are 10 total bulbs. And the last plug has a female socket that is 4 inches away from that bulb. So this is that socket. This is a 2-prong socket. So this does not have a ground. If you want to get one with a ground, you need to get the 3-prong version. The nice thing about this is that you can daisy chain these, and it says on here you can daisy chain 3 units maximum, so you can have a total of 300 feet of lights. And it says for use only on GFCI protected circuits. These do appear to be well made. They have strain reliefs on each side of the wire, and they have a carabiner so you can lock that on. There's not a ton of room in there. It's about 1/2 inch, but there's enough that you can hook it over something. So let's go ahead and plug it in. And it does appear that all the lights are working. We do not have any duds in this set. That is ETL listed, and that is 5000 K, so it's going to approximate daylight light. So I can show you what I've been doing. I'm just taking a hanger, and I'm clipping off the elbows. And I bend it around like that. So these are the lights that are the flat bottom. So I'm going to take the ones that are the bulbs. I'm going to put those ones up, and I want to see if that makes any difference as far as light side to side. Okay, and here are the bulb style. Yeah, maybe a little bit more light out to the sides. Not a heck of a lot, but it is there. So if you're more concerned about getting a spread, get the bulb style. If all you need is that down light, then get the flat style. They both work great. I mean, they're pretty darn similar. So realistically, this is going to be fine no matter which way you go, but if you're not sure, just get the bulb style and that'll cover all your bases. But yeah, both of those are some excellent lights. I'm happy with that.